Hi, welcome to Sue Marie P. Today we're going to make homemade beans like these ones. So come with me and let's see. Hi, we're back to make our super simple homemade baked beans from scratch. So I've got all the ingredients ready to go. You can use whatever tin beans you prefer, but I really like using butter beans and cannellini beans. So here's our ingredients. We've got the dark brown sugar, black pepper, crushed tin tomatoes, 2 lots of beans. I've got butter beans and cannellini beans. We have the maple syrup, American mustard, or you can use French mustard, balsamic, Worcestershire, and a little touch of tabasco. I'm just going to drain my beans off and we'll start cooking. So I've added 2 lots of beans. Now we're going to add all the spices and mustard, etc, etc. So we're going to add 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. Then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. We'll add 2 teaspoons of mustard. So we're going to add a splash of Worcestershire sauce, but for this exercise I'm going to measure it to be 1 tablespoon. Tabasco, if you like something a little bit spicy, we'll just add a few shakes of that. And tiny bit of cracked pepper. And we're going to crumble some brown sugar in, probably only about a teaspoon. Here we have everything bubbling. So we're going to simmer this for roughly 20 minutes to drain some of that excess liquid off. And then we'll come back and we'll be ready to serve it up. And that's our quick homemade baked beans. It's been 13 minutes. I'm just checking back in on the beans. I've given them a stir. They're looking rather delicious. So we're going to simmer them now. I've turned it down for another 7 minutes. And then they should be ready to serve. Can't wait to try them. So our 20 minutes is up and the beans are ready. So I'm going to plate them up and serve them for dinner, and we'll do a taste test. They're tasty. If you want them a little bit spicy, just add a little bit more Tabasco or black pepper. So I'll show you, I've served it here. Let me just grab the camera. So here I've served it in a small bowl with a side of flatbread and some baby spinach. So I'm going to go and eat because I'm really hungry and it tastes good. If there's any left over, I might have it tomorrow with an egg. So if you want to try the baked beans, see the description below for the link and you'll find the recipe.